Okay, hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie, and I'm so glad that you're here today. I wanted to go ahead and present to you what solo ads are and if they work in 2022. So that was pretty much my breakthrough online, discovering solo ads and using solo ads. So I want to go ahead and go over what are solo ads. Solo ads are email-based advertisements that you buy from other email list owners. So that would be your solo ad vendors. And once you go ahead and buy a solo ad, the message that the solo ad vendor sends out, that would be your service, your promotion, or your opportunity that you are offering. So it depends on how many clicks you buy. For instance, you can start off at 100, 300, 500, or 1,000 clicks sent to your website. So this is real people, real human beings getting sent to your website. What happens is they enter an opt-in page, which is a landing page. Usually that is with either the name and the email or just the email address. And by sending just the email address on the capture page, that gives you a better chance of conversion. And what happens here is once they opt in, they become a lead and they get onto your list. So those leads will end up converting to sales. An example I like to use to define what solo ads are based on my own experience is similar to door-to-door sales, but the difference is you're getting permission to get into their inbox, and when you send out an email, it goes straight to their inbox. So instead of knocking on doors, you're knocking on the inbox. People will open that email from you and they will go ahead and click that link, which would be your call to action that includes the offer that you're marketing. So with this step, they are now introduced, and of course, they will start to get to know, like, and trust you. And in reality, I love it. This has been a really big breakthrough with my own experience in the online world, and I'm obsessed and I love it, and I'm still learning, and I'll always continue to learn. And that's the best part of this. The internet is here to stay. So with that said, are solo ads worth it in 2022? Yes. Building an email list is the best asset that you can have online. You go ahead and provide value to the people who are already interested to work from home. They want to start their own home-based business, and this would be in the make money online business opportunity niche. So solo ads are great when you're focused on one niche. You also are getting eyeballs to your website, and it's a really great approach to get leads and to reach millions. And it's the easiest way to build the list. And how it works. So the solo ad vendor, he or she will approve your landing page, which is the opt-in page. They will go ahead and take care of the solo ad email copy unless you provide one and they approve it. But besides that, they can go ahead and take care of the solo ad email copy. And it's recommended to start with 200 clicks a week, stay consistent, and aim to generate 100 leads a week. And it's great because the prices are very affordable. It starts around maybe $50 to $56 for about 100 clicks. And you want to know what the clicks are. So the clicks are Tier 1 traffic, and traffic is people, actual human beings that are from the USA, Canada, and United Kingdom. These are people who are interested in a home-based business. So you will receive the clicks within about 24 hours. They will be on your autoresponder, and as for myself, I have Aweber, so they will be added to your Aweber or GetResponse. So that's your email autoresponder, and they'll start coming in. You'll start seeing notifications about the new leads that are being added to your list. And this will be from all different parts of all different parts of the world, but it'll be tier 1 traffic. So technically just from the USA, Canada, and United Kingdom. So proof that solo ads work here in 2022. Well, for myself, I started with knowing nothing about how to get leads. I knew that I wanted to build an email list. I was aware that it's very important to build an email list, but I had no idea how to do it. So I started with 0 leads, and I have tried MLM before. I did try door to door, and I would leave my business cards at local businesses, hoping somebody will get a hold of me, want to know more about what I'm promoting. But I also did the cold messaging on Facebook. And yes, I did go ahead and notify my family and friends because, of course, I'm excited. I feel that working from home is a really great thing to do. It creates that time and freedom that I desperately want and enjoy for the rest of my life. So I got to the point where I was feeling stuck and overwhelmed. I didn't know how to get people to my website. I even tried a few Facebook marketing strategies, but I got some results, but it's not the results that I'm getting now. So with solo ads, my list is growing. There's also a Facebook group for solo ad testimonials. You go ahead and find different solo ad vendors, and you go ahead and see testimonials with that current vendor. But also in regards to proof that solo ads do work, I'm learning from a 7-figure earner, which is the Fearless Mama, Tammy Montgomery. She is one of the co-founders of Lead Capture Marketing Pro. That is the current marketing system that I'm using and collecting those leads and using a capture page from that system. So the great thing with this marketing system, you go ahead and keep everything in one place. You can promote another business opportunity using this system. That way you can go ahead and catch those leads, go ahead and present your opportunity, and along the way, you're learning new skills or upgrading your skills. And I just want to mention as well, email marketing, it is a $1 billion industry. So you definitely want to get a slice of this pie, because if you join now, you get access to the solo ad vendor resources, you get training in the back office, you get to gain new skills, upgrade your skills, and get the freedom lifestyle that we desire. More time for yourself, more time for your kids, family, or friends, and more money in your account, because you will be your own boss. You will go ahead and ask what you want to get paid. The effort you put in, that's what you will get back. So you get to learn from a group of like-minded people. There's a Facebook group with this marketing system. And by starting your journey today, you're working with a system that works. It has a great sales funnel to it. You get the capture pages. You get to make branding pages. And the sales page is ready for you. So this is for beginner or advanced marketers. There's no tech skills required. And as well, just like I mentioned, consistency is the only way to go. You got to be consistent. Stay disciplined, be patient, and listen to the people who are doing what you want to do. Because to make money from home and to make great money online, this is the system that will help you get there. So for myself, I went ahead and took action, and I've been taking action, and I remind myself that I can and I will go ahead and get through this and create that dream lifestyle, to have freedom with my kids and be there for them, see them grow up, and be able to just enjoy every minute with them and enjoy myself, take care of my health. But thanks to this great system here, Lead Capture Marketing Pro, I am logging in. And with this system here, this is mine. This is my back office. Here it is. Here are your lead capture pages. That's the pages that I was talking about regarding the opt-in landing page. It's really easy to set up. Pretty much just go ahead and it's 3 clicks. Go ahead and click. It's best to use the email address only. Gives you a better chance for conversion, but it's all up to you. And go ahead and click. So this creates the three clicks here to create your capture page, and you can go ahead and edit this as much as you like. You can go ahead and erase this. 10K from home in the next 90 days. How to make a consistent 10K from home in the next 90 days. And they go ahead and enter their email address. They click show me more, but save your capture page. You go up here, back to pages, save pages, and there you go. You created a capture page. This is really great. It's really simple. It's really easy to follow. And as well, you have your branding pages back here. You can create 5 of them. So it's really great. Here as well, you can go ahead and resell this system. This would be your referral link right here for Lead Capture Marketing Pro. And there's a lot of great training provided here with this system. And the great thing about it is that you can promote other offers and have everything tied into one. So here would be your autoresponder, and I am connected with Aweber. But it's a really great system. It has been my breakthrough online. So you can go ahead and follow me here on Facebook. I am here. That's my page. If you want to get to know me more, you want to go ahead and follow me. That's my page here. And my link is here in the bio. You can learn more information regarding Lead Capture Marketing Pro. But I hope you enjoyed this video. And just keep in mind, you can do anything you put your mind to. And if you're willing to learn, nobody can stop you. So I hope you like, subscribe, and I'll see you again with some more videos. Thank you.